Okay, so the third question is your critique the relevance of the Four Noble Truths of Buddhism and Catholicism. So I will state first the Four Noble Truths of Buddhism to Catholicism. The first one is it has suffering. The second one is suffering has causes, which is the desire and ignorance. The third one is suffering can end, and the fourth one is there is a path to end it, which is the eightfold path. So, okay, so its relevance to Catholicism. First, I will state its similarities to Catholicism. So, both acknowledge that suffering is a part of human life and offer a moral path toward inner peace, which is in Buddhism, the Eightfold Path, Catholicism, commandments, and beatitudes. So, both encourage discipline, avoidance of sin, and compassion towards others. And it also emphasizes on transformation and moral living. So those are all similarities of four noble truths of Buddhism to Catholicism. And its differences now is Catholicism identifies sin, not desire, as the root of suffering. So, salvation in Catholicism is through God's grace and Jesus Christ, while in Buddhism it is through self-effort and enlightenment. And next is Catholicism affirms an eternal soul, while Buddhism does not. So, in conclusion, the Four Noble Truths are relevant of Catholicism because they emphasize moral renewal and compassion. But the theological foundation and path to salvation differ significantly.